Imagine waking up to a side hustle that works for you while you sleep, powered by AI. No coding, no tech degree, just practical steps that you can take today. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get started with an AI-driven side hustle, even if you're a complete beginner. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to leverage no-code AI tools. Start simple. Tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Jasper AI, or Canva's AI features make it very easy to jump in. For example, you could use Jasper AI to create content for small businesses, like blog posts or email campaigns. These tools are user-friendly and only require creativity and not technical expertise. Focus on one application. Pick one AI function to master, such as copywriting, graphic design, or voiceover generation. For instance, you can use Canva's AI to create social media graphics for influencers or local businesses. The more specific your focus, the easier it will be to build confidence. Create some templates. You can save time by creating templates for tasks that you can replicate. For example, if you're using an AI to write product descriptions, create a format that you can tweak for various industries. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to start a niche freelancing business. Identify your niche. Research industries where people struggle with content creation or design. Think real estate agents needing listing descriptions or coaches needing sales emails. You can offer to fill this gap using AI-powered tools. Let me give you an example. Social media content. AI like ChatGPT and Gemini can generate Instagram captions or LinkedIn posts for busy professionals. You can charge them for monthly content packages where you deliver polished content that they can post without the hassle. And showcase your results. Share before and after examples of your work using AI. For instance, a plain listing description transformed into something catchy and engaging can demonstrate your value. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to automate repetitive tasks for small businesses. You can offer workflow automation. You can use tools like Zapier or Make2Connect business apps and automate tasks like sending emails or managing leads. For example, you could help a florist automatically follow up with customers after a purchase. You can also highlight time savings, show how automation can save hours a week. For instance, a client could use AI to categorize customer queries or sort emails, freeing them to focus on their sales. You can also sell it as a service. Market yourself as a business efficiency consultant. You can package these automation solutions for small businesses that lack the time or knowledge to implement them for themselves. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to create an AI-enhanced online course. I recommend to choose a hot topic. Use AI to analyze popular trends in your niche. For example, you could type a query like top fitness trends into an AI tool and create an online course on the most searched topic, such as AI in meal planning. I recommend to simplify the content creation process. Use AI for brainstorming, script writing, and even creating slides. Combine your expertise and knowledge with AI's efficiency to produce high quality material quickly. I then suggest to monetize on different platforms. You can upload your course to platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Add value by offering resources like AI-generated cheat sheets or templates alongside the lessons. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to launch an AI-powered e-commerce store. Let's talk about product ideas. AI can help you brainstorm trending product ideas. You can use tools like Midjourney for unique designs or ChatGPT to write compelling product descriptions. For instance, you can start a print-on-demand store with AI-generated art. Let's talk about optimized marketing. AI tools like Ad Creative can generate ad copy and visuals for Facebook or Google Ads. You can use these to target niche audiences such as fans of custom pet portraits or personalized journals. I recommend to start small. Test your product ideas using minimal budgets. For example, you could use $50 in ads to promote AI generated designs on Etsy and adjust based on what sells. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to build a blog powered by AI. I recommend to pick a highly profitable niche. Combine your interests with market demand. For example, you could create a blog about sustainable fashion, a trending topic with monetization potential. Content creation with AI. Now you can use tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Surfer SEO to produce keyword-rich articles. AI can help outline topics, write engaging content, and even suggest really catchy headlines. I also suggest that you monetize your blog. You can incorporate affiliate links, run ads, or sell your own digital products, like an AI-generated ebook on eco-friendly fashion tips. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to offer AI-driven market research. You can analyze trends for small businesses. Use AI tools like Google Trends or SparkToro to uncover what's hot in a specific industry. Package your findings into actionable reports. Let me give you an example. Small retailers, you can help them identify trending products or customer preferences in their area using AI insights. For example, you can predict what types of seasonal decorations will sell based on search trends. You can charge for the insights. You can create subscription plans for regular updates, offer a free trial to attract some clients, then provide deeper premium analysis. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to create AI-powered digital products. Examples of digital products: you can use AI to create digital assets like ebooks, stock photos, business templates, and online courses. For instance, you can design resume templates or create AI-generated art bundles for Etsy. I recommend to streamline the production. Midjourney can generate high-quality visuals, and ChatGPT can draft text-based resources like goal-setting guides. You can combine tools to provide valuable, sellable items. I recommend that you market on multiple platforms. You can sell your products on Gumroad, Etsy, or even on your own website. I suggest that you promote them through targeted social media ads to reach customers globally. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to start a YouTube channel about AI. I recommend that you use beginner-friendly content. Focus on teaching others how to use AI tools. For instance, you could create videos on how to use ChatGPT for business, or something like the top 5 AI tools for entrepreneurs. Monetization options: you can earn through ad revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Recommend tools like Jasper AI and include your affiliate links in the description. I also suggest that you try to grow your channel. Consistently post high-quality videos showing step-by-step tutorials. Engage your audience with Q&A sessions or demos to keep them coming back. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to start an AI-powered virtual assistant business. You can offer AI-supported services. Market yourself as a virtual assistant who uses AI to handle tasks like scheduling, email drafting, or customer service. Tools like ChatGPT can draft professional responses, and apps like Calendly can make bookings seamlessly. Let me give you some example services. You can provide daily email cleanup services or organize data for clients using AI tools like Notion AI. Highlight how AI helps you work faster and more accurately than a traditional assistant. I recommend that you try to scale your business. Take on more clients by automating repetitive tasks with AI, giving you the capacity to handle more work without needing additional manpower. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is to use AI to build personalized learning resources. I recommend to tailor content to your audiences. Use AI tools to create customized learning materials. For example, a tutor could use ChatGPT to generate lesson plans or quizzes tailored to a student's skill level. Let me give you an example product, which being study guides. You can develop AI-generated study guides for specific exams or subjects, like SAT preparation or beginner coding. You can package them into downloadable PDFs or interactive apps. You can also sell subscription access. You could create a membership site where users can access personalized learning tools. For instance, an AI-driven language learning platform offering tailored grammar exercises or vocabulary lists. Let's now move on to tip number 12, which is to offer AI-driven resume and career services. You can use AI tools like resume.io or ChatGPT to help clients create standout resumes and cover letters tailored to specific job roles. For example, you can monetize customized resumes for roles in tech, healthcare, or marketing based on industry keywords. I recommend to use mock interview services. You can pair AI tools like Interview GPT with your guidance to simulate real-world job interviews. You can offer personalized feedback to help clients improve their answers and their confidence. Let's take a look at career path guidance. You can use AI platforms to analyze job market trends and suggest career paths. For example, guide someone into tech by showing them how entry-level roles in data analysis align with their existing skills. You can package this service for career changes or for fresh graduates. So there you have it, 12 powerful tips that you can implement. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate a decent income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a fantastic day.